What a nice day. Well, time to clean the chickens. Okay, now we're at the coop with the gang. We got Ginger, Gunner, my dad's tractor, and the flock. Got a surprise at the end, too. Anyway, let's see what we're working with here. That's 3 weeks, y'all. Sometimes I get behind. Also, we got a refill on oyster shells for the winter. And the bucket had been repaired. I don't think I said that before. Let's set y'all up. Is that good? Cool. Anyway, that almost fell on the bunny, but it didn't. Let's get to work. Only 3 eggs, that's okay. Those are the separators between the nesting box and the main part of the coop. That is where they go, and it has become a wall. Sometimes there's eggs even hidden in there because they get stuck in the little corners back here underneath this ledge. I want to show you what it looks like to empty nesting boxes. Kind of scrape it out. Like that. And then this one, you just kind of get it out of the corners. They got the flat edge and the pointed edge. Gets it all out. Put these down. Now look at what we have to work with. That was all in the nesting box, and then this is just a whole big old layer of, oh, there's a fly on my face. Big old layer of work. Y'all can watch from here in multi-speed mode. Sorry, y'all, that was taking a while. So here's the last little bit now. Here are the results after cleaning. And now we're going to put the boards back in after scraping them. We'll do this part over here because the bunny's on that side. I'm just going to use the edge of this concrete foundation of what my dad calls a garage. Here we got a car in it. Scraping. I want these boards to last a while. Second one, I'm scraping. Look a feather. Scrape it off. It's also already broken a little. Or it's just from whatever. I don't know. Almost done. There we go. Done. This thing swinging here is the remote thing to his shock collar. Otherwise, he would not listen to me whatsoever. Getting a little better, I might admit. But yeah. Okay, now we're gonna, I like change these out so like you don't have one sitting in the gunk a lot. And this one was sitting in the gunk, you can tell because it's moisture. Kind of just throw this in here. It locks in between these. And there you go. Now we're gonna fill it with hay, straw. I don't know the difference at this point. One's waxy, the other one's for eating. And they don't eat stuff because it hurts their crop. Not stuff. Hay, because it hurts their crop. Also, this is like gradually falling apart. All like money from eggs go to like repairs and such. Back to them, like food, pen repairs, coop repairs, that stuff. Almost dropped, y'all. Sorry. Also, there were no hidden eggs in there today. Yep. Open up the barrels. Grab this. We're going to fill it with about a flake. There we go. I now have paw prints on me because of the dog. I'll clean the coop. And he disappears into the woods that way. And then parents come out like, hey, where's the dog? Because my mom was, of course, watching me. And she's like, also, why are you talking to your phone? And I'm like, just let me clean the coop. Anyway, back to work. Anyway, now I need to put this into the 4 nesting boxes. Any extra, I'll just throw in there because of muck. But this is easier to do with 2 hands, so I'm going to put y'all down. This is done now. Just got to do the shavings on the inside. Also, some dropped on the ground, but that's fine. It just makes it less slippery during the winter. And now we need to throw this leftover stuff in here for them. That's good. They'll just spread it around. It's fun for them. Their water and food is full because I filled it yesterday. And their food, I put some like corn stuff in there because the bags of that are cheaper than actual feed, I noticed. And yeah, that's a different story. Now the shavings, and I'll get back to when that is done. I will say though, we fill this basket, carry it over here, and dump it quite a few times. But that's the easiest way to do it. See you with the results. Now we close up all the bins. Oh, there's in my face. This is when it's good to wear sunglasses and mask, which is kind of like what I already wear when cleaning the coop because you don't want to be breathing in all that stuff, and it gets in your eyes sometimes. So, don't know why my mom was questioning me looking like this doing coop. Everything's closed. Here's the finished results. Not much. Got bed in. It goes up to like a little ledge here, and almost on this ledge here. Got a little hook here, perch. This Mox. You'll get a tour at some point, and the girls are all happy. I'll give them some oyster grit as a treat, and hopefully I'll see you all when I stream later. Have a nice day, I guess. Bye. 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 And bye-bye.